CAPSTAT jet. What are we going to do with that? Well, I'll probably buy another one. I'll probably buy one of those red jet conversion kits. They're only about 100 quid. Really? Why would you do that? There's nothing wrong with that CAPSTAT. It's only done a few miles. Yeah, but it's dirty and it looks horrible. And you know, when I sort of restore this carburetor, I want it to look the bollocks. So I'm going to get a brand new jet. I think it's a good idea to get a brand new jet anyway. Really? Do you? Why is that then? Well, you know, makes sense, doesn't it? No, not really. The only thing it makes sense for is to put more money in the pockets of those that sell new jets. They don't want you to do anything with the jet itself. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's see if we can restore a CAPSTAT. So remove that little washer, then remove the nut, remove the spring, and then we need to unclip this base. All we do with that is we bend these tangs back like that, and then remove from the bottom. The jet comes out along with the spring. There you go, disassembled. Here is the full kit, ready to do one CAPSTAT. So there's all the parts. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put that spring in there, followed by the jet, then the stat, and then it's retained in position with this here. You push that on and close over the tab. Spring over the jet into the housing. Put that into there, and then you've got the spring to fight against. The way to do that, push that into there, and then you can actually put this over. Until it's in position and finally clamped, and you can see now that everything is as it should be. Then get the spring, slide the spring over the shaft, put on the rings, the identification rings that you know it needs, whichever one it needs, and then fit the little nut, the little washer, and then a new seal, and then that's ready to be reinstalled in the carburetor.